Is he a good boy? Yes. So before I leave, there is something I had today that I want us to repeat. The school anthem. It is something I always hear ringing in my head every time I come here. When we were young, we used to sing with a lot of energy. Boys of power, of muscles and of brains.